Hello everyone, we are here again with topic's name is digestive system. 29 questions are given here in both language Hindi and English. If you are Hindi students, you can read in Hindi. If you are English students, you can read in English without any problem. These are given very important questions which have come in last exams also. So please prepare all given questions for next exams that will play very important role for. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon button for upcoming future videos. So let's start the topic without any delay. Please stay tuned to the video and watch full. Question number 1. Digestions begin in the mouth. Which of the following statement is correct? The tongue aids in the digestion of the food. This saliva changes some of the starch in the food to sugar. The tongue keeps the food in a place in the mouth while the food is being chewed. The digestive juice can react more easily with the food when chewed. Correct answer is B. The saliva changes some of the starch in the food to sugar. Question number 2. How does food move through your food pipe? By gravity, by wave-like muscle contractions, by cilia, by chemical absorptions. Correct answer is B. By wave-like muscles contractions. Question number 3. Name the gland associated with the human digestive system. Salivary glands and pancreas, salivary glands and liver, liver and pancreas, salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Correct answer is D. Salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Question number 4. Arrange the correct sequence of the step involved in the process of human digestive system. Digestive, digestion, ingestion, assimilation, egestion and absorption. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Egestion, absorption, digestion, assimilation and egestions. Assimilation, absorption, egestions and digestion and egestion. Correct answer is B. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Where does most of digestive process take place? Small intestine, large intestine, stomach, all of the above. Correct answer is A. Small intestine means duodenum. Question number 6. What does the liver do the help digestion? Makes important enzyme, neutralize stomach acid, produce bile, regulates insulin. Correct answer is C. Produce piles. Question number 7. Food poisoning is caused by eating contaminated food. How can it be prevented? Cooking meat and poultry thoroughly, washing fruit and vegetable before eating or cooking them, storing food properly, all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 8. If pancreas is removed, compound which remains undigested is proteins, carbohydrates, fats, all of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 9. Most of the digestions occurs in rectum, stomach, duodenum, small intestine. Correct answer is D. Small intestine. Question number 10. What is the function of hyaluronic acid? It makes pepsin enzyme effective. It kills bacteria which may enter in stomach with food. Which of the following statement is are correct? Only 1, 2, 1 and 2 both, neither 1 and nor 2. Correct answer is C. Both first and second. Question number 11. Name the largest part of the alimentary canal. Large intestine, small intestine, liver, stomach. Correct answer is B. Small intestine. Question number 13. In which part of the body digestion of protein begins? Pancreas, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Correct answer is B. Stomach. 14. What is the function of bile juice secreted by liver? It makes the food alkaline. It makes the food acidic. It breaks down the food. None of the above. Correct answer A. It makes the food alkaline. Question number 15. Where is protein digestion accomplished? Stomach, ileum, rectum, duodenum. Correct answer is D. Duodenum. Question number 16. Which of the following is correct pairing of site of action and substrate of renin? Mouth starch, stomach fat, stomach casein, small intestine casein. Correct answer is C. Stomach casein. Question number 17. Epithelial cells of the intestine involved in food absorption have on their surface pinocytic vesicle, zymogen granules, phagocytic vesicle, and microvilli. Correct answer is D, microvilli. Question number 18. The liver is located in the abdomen and perform many functions. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Storing food, manufacturing insulin, producing digestive juice, healing itself when it is damaged. Correct answer is B, manufacturing insulin, because pancreas make insulin. Question number 19. Which of the following does not manufacture digestive juice? Liver, kidney, stomach, pancreas. Correct answer is B, kidney. Question number 20. Solid waste leaves the body throughout the rectum, then the anus. Liquid waste leaves the body after passing through the kidney and bladder, blood vessels and lungs, large intestine and balls, small intestine and large intestine. Correct answer is A, kidneys and bladder. Question number 21. How does digestive food finally reach the bloodstream? It passes through the gullet into the blood. It is absorbed into the blood through blood vessels. It is absorbed into the blood through the wall of the lungs. It passes from the small intestine into the large intestine, then into the blood. Correct answer is B. It is absorbed into the blood through blood vessels. Question number 22. Where does food pass through between the mouth and the stomach? It passes through the gullet into the blood. It is absorbed into the blood through blood vessels. It is absorbed into the blood through the walls of the lungs. It passes from the small intestine into the large intestine, then into the blood. Correct answer is B. It is absorbed into the blood through blood vessels. Question number 22. Where does food pass through between the mouth and the stomach? The gullet, the rectum, the small intestine, the large intestine. Correct answer is A, the gullet. Gullet means esophagus. Question number 23. Which one of the following statement is not correct about intestinal villi? A multitudinous finger-like projections having many microvilli increase the internal surface area of intestinal wall, supplied with capillaries and the lacteal vessels, supplied with capillaries and the lacteal vessels, participate only in digestion of fats. Correct answer is D, participate only in digestion of fats. Question number 24. While contribution to digestion is nucleic acid metabolism, phagocytosis, emulsification of dietary lipids, carbohydrate digestion. Correct answer is C, emulsification of dietary lipids. Question number 25. Which one of the following is not part of the large intestine? Rectum, colon, cecum, duodenum. Correct answer is D, duodenum. Question number 26. In which part of our body food gets absorbed? Small intestine, large intestine, stomach, liver. Correct answer is A, small intestine. Question number 27. The food stored in the liver in the form of carbohydrate is called pulp, glucose, glycogen, carbohydrate. Correct answer is C, glycogen. 28. Bile is collected in liver, gallbladder, duodenum, canal, spleen. Correct answer is B, gallbladder. Question number 29. Digestion is not a function of which of the following? Bioptin, pepsin, renin. None of the above. Correct answer is A, bioptin. Question number 30. What is the approximate weight of the liver in healthy adult? 1.4 kg, 2.3 kg, 0.9 kg, 1.8 kg. Correct answer is A, 1.4 kg. So friends, you have seen all the important questions have been given which have come in last exams. So these are very important questions for your upcoming written exams. So please learn and revise it, and please like and subscribe my channel also, and press the bell icon button for upcoming future videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.